Howdy y'all, Fast Force 289 back again for another video. Alright, today we're going to be cleaning the windows in my 1976 Ford truck. I use newspaper. It's a very good old-fashioned trick. Works really well for cleaning glass. Now you might be saying, what? Newspaper? But trust me, just try it one time and you're going to love it. Alright, it's streak free, it's cheap, so it works great. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do the inside first. I just got some regular old Dollar General, dollar window cleaner. Nothing special. Click the window down really good. And for the future, I made a mess. I'll clean that up. For the future video, I'm gonna be changing the weather stripping in the doors for the windows. And now that you got your window good and soaked up, get your newspaper and start scrubbing it like normal. Just like you would any other time. And you can get you a new clean piece that's dry and go back over it. Now what I like to do is, see up here, you can't get to the very top of the window because it's in the gasket, so I like to roll the window down a little bit. I can hit that, clean that up really good as well. That way it all looks good. When you do that, I'm going to do the wing window and then the outside. And that's really about it. You do the outside the same way. And I'll post a picture after the video to show you the before and after. And y'all tell me what you think. And you can use that for anything. You use it for your mirrors, windshield. I'm going to clean all the windows. I'm going to do the windshield and all. The same process. And since I'm showing you that, having a 10-minute video on how to clean glass, I think you get the idea. And y'all comment below, like, and tell me what y'all think. And I appreciate y'all for watching. And y'all have a nice day.